Namaste friends. In this video, we will see how to update our digital business card after we have registered. So once you have registered for your digital business card and in future, let's say you want to make any changes, you can simply click on the shortcut that you have saved on your Android mobile phone. In case you have not saved your Adverpro vCard as a shortcut to your home screen, you can go to our YouTube channel Adverpro Digital Ads, and you can see the video how to save your digital business card as an Android app on your Android mobile phone. Now let us assume that you have already saved it. In case you have not saved and still you want to update your vCard without saving, you can open the website. You can log on vCard.adverpro.in. Once you open this URL, it will ask you to enter your username and password. This username and password is the same that you have created at the time of registering for your digital business card. So enter your username and password and click on login button. Once you log in, you will see two options: view vCard, update vCard. Now because we want to update our contact details or email ID, we have to click on update vCard. After we click on update vCard, here we can update all our details like about me. If you want to change your profile photo, you can click on profile photo and change your profile photo. If you come back, you can update your contact details. You can update your company logo, skills, achievements, testimonials, experience, education, company, products and services. If you can also add your social links. If you click on social links, here you can click on add social link, choose social link, and you can add your Facebook profile, Twitter profile, LinkedIn, YouTube channel link or personal profile link. If you have any Android or Apple iStore app, you can update the app link also. All these people can directly access through your digital business card with a single click. Now if we come back, we have more options. Like you can update your payment links. In case you take any online payments, you can update InstaMojo. If you want to change your theme, you can come down and click on vCard theme. Once you click on vCard theme, we have all 15 plus beautiful themes that you can select based on your preference. And in case you want to use your digital business card as a mini website, you can come to theme number 17 at the bottom. Last theme, which is called as About Me Full With theme. You can select this theme and your entire digital business card will get converted as a mini website which people can browse through. You can see here now the digital business card is looks like a mini website. So you can show your testimonial, company details, and people can also share your digital business card through WhatsApp and other social media platforms. Hope I have covered all the details with regards to update your digital vCard. Thank you. Have a nice day.